me not mistake. Look, you have 500. Just really
Good day, everybody. It's your girl Cindy from OB Real Estate. So we are currently at
AJ, I
Lagos
beg, I will come
Island,
your shop make I do that
Water
video
Market
yeah.
to find out the current prices of electrical materials. So we'll go inside, meet the seller, ask him a few questions concerning his business. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. So let's go. Good day, sir.
Video. Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Cindy. What's your name, sir?
This one electrical.
Desmond. Okay, what's the name of your business, sir?
Now this is home electrical materials.
Okay. So we'd like to find out the prices of what you sell.
Alright.
Okay, let's start from here. What's this?
Are you talking about this?
Yes, what's this?
This is a this is a mattress.
3 by 3. How much is it?
I'll give you this for 1.5.
1.5. What is it used for?
This for sockets.
For the socket?
Yes, for sockets inside of the wall, so sockets can be fixed.
Okay. Does it have sizes, right?
Yes, it has sizes. It has 3 by 3, it has 10 by 10, it has double, it has single. This is the single.
Single is how much?
This single, I'll give for the single one 1,000 naira.
1,000 naira.
This is single, this is the double.
Okay. What about this one?
Yeah, this is also patterns. This is also patterns.
Okay, how much is this one, sir?
6 by 9.
6 by 9, how much?
This one is I'll give you for 6,000.
6,000. Is that your last price?
I can give you for 5,000 naira.
Okay, same thing with this one, right?
Yes.
Do you guys sell bulb?
We don't say bulb.
Okay.
Say like wires, single
wires.
Yes.
Okay. How do you sell it?
We have 2.5. We have 1.5. This is 1.5.
Okay.
I'll give for this one. I can give it for 22,500.
Okay. Where can we fix this one?
This is for running through wires for the bulbs, like inside of the house.
Okay.
You use to run the wires.
Can you connect to any bulb, any size of bulb?
It depends on the wattage of the bulb.
Okay.
So you cannot give bulb 2.5, but it will be more than it. So what we go for bulb is 1.5.
1.5. Okay, so this one is how much?
So I'll give for 22,500. Original Coleman cable full gauge.
22,500.
22,500.
Is that not costly?
That's the current price. This is copper.
Okay.
Original copper.
Okay.
Original full gauge. Look at this, it's very heavy. You can take a look at this. This is Coleman cable wire.
Okay.
We also have a different.
I'm sure it's the one that is bigger than this one. The one that can go for 2.5.
This is.
That is yours or self-use?
Yeah, we say fridge. This is 4 mm.
Ah, this one is heavy. How much is this one?
I'll give for this one 65,000.
65,000. Is that your last price?
Yes, Coleman original price.
Okay.
Original full gauge.
You know, we have some wires that you can use for your electric and the one for bulb. So which one can you use for your electric?
Electric you can use. We have 2.5 flat.
The one you just showed me now, right?
No, that one is flat cable.
Okay,
that one is not currently there because of the package store.
Okay, so that one is how much?
I'll give for that one. It depends on the meters. If you are getting meters, we'll give it for 1,000 per meter. But if you are getting the coil, give for 55,000 naira.
55,000. Is that your last price?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. What about this one? This same thing with the black one you showed me.
Yeah. This is, you can see here, this is Anamec.
Anamec.
This is different from Coleman. And the price of this Anamec, I can give you lesser price because it's not Coleman. This is 1.5. Okay. You can look at it. For the 1.5, I give you Coleman to 2,500.
Is it also 1.5?
This is also 1.5, but this is different make. I'll give you for this one. I can give you 20,000 naira.
20,000. Jesus.
Yes, but it's different from Coleman.
But does it serve the same purpose?
No, Coleman is a Nigeria cable, and this is a Nigeria cable too.
Okay.
It says that Coleman now is now published, well known in Nigeria here. Okay. Are you getting? But this is also a Nigeria cable full gauge. But based on the popularity of Coleman, people are more going for Coleman than this.
One.
Yes. So that's why the price is higher than this.
But does that mean this one is also better than this one?
The two are okay. The two are okay. Yours is called popularity. But once you want to get popularity, can also increase the price. Nigeria cable too.
Can you also show us other things also?
This is box. This is box. Distribution board. Distribution board.
Distribution board.
Yeah.
Can we open it?
Sure.
Sorry, easy.
Yeah, but now can you
Did you book in here?
look here? Look here. Look it out.
Easy. That's why they handle with care. What's the purpose of this one?
Distribution board. This is for you category. For the switch controls.
Okay, switch control.
Yes.
So this one is how much?
I'll give for this one.
40, you can check the price very well.
45,000. That's the current price.
45,000. Does it have sizes?
Yeah, it has sizes.
Okay, it's smaller.
That's the smaller one.
Can you show us the smaller one? Then the biggest one.
The smaller one.
How many rooms can this one carry?
You can carry the whole flat. The whole flat. You can carry your whole flat.
What about this one?
This one is just for a room.
Just a room.
Yes.
Okay, this one is room and parlor.
Yeah, room and parlor.
This one is how much?
I'll give for this one 12,500.
12,500. Is that your last price?
Yeah, it's negotiable. I can negotiate with you. You just have to contact and tell us what you want. We give you different.
So that means if anybody is coming from our channel today, we're going to reduce price for them.
Yes,
okay.
Just tell me what you want. I will negotiate with you. And
is this the biggest?
This is the biggest size for now.
Okay. But we have big, small, and
we have big, small, and medium. Yes, this is smallest.
The medium one is how much?
The medium one, I will give you for that one 20,000.
20,000 naira. Can you package this one? They say handle with care. You also sell switch?
No, we don't sell switch. We sell ordinary double socket. This is double socket.
Okay, this one is it this
double
one?
Socket? Yes.
This one is how much?
I'll give for this one 1,500.
1,500.
Yes, 1,500. This is not fancy double socket. That's ordinary double socket.
You don't sell fancy ones?
No, we don't sell fancy ones.
Okay. You have single one?
Single, yes. You also have single.
Single is how much?
This is the single right here. So there are a lot of things in our shop here. I have not yet arranged.
Okay, this one is how much?
I'll give for this one. I'll give for 800 now.
800 now.
Yes.
Okay. What is in this carton?
Come here.
I'm seeing 4-way junction box.
Yeah. It's 4-way junction box.
Okay. Is the same thing with this one now? Abi?
The same thing with that. Not the same thing with that. This one is 4-way.
Okay.
This is 4-way. Switches.
How much is this one?
I'll give for this 29,000 naira.
29,000 naira. How many rooms can it carry? Is it the whole flat?
I can carry about 3 rooms and a flat.
3 rooms and a flat. This package is package. So, is there any other thing you want to show us that you saw?
We have other things here.
Like
we have trunking pipe. We have trunking pipe. We have normal pipe, flexible conduit pipe.
Can we see?
Because this is trunking pipe. This trunking pipe. We have
for wires, right?
Yes. We have size by size.
This one is how much?
This is 50 by 50.
50 by 50?
Yes.
This small one?
This is ready already. This is 75 by 50.
75 by 50?
Yes.
This one is how much?
75 by 50. I'll give you for. I will negotiable too. 2,500.
2,500?
Yeah. 2,500 per one.
But this one is kind of big for wires.
Yeah, it depends on the wire.
What kind of wire?
Depends on the wire you want to run. You can run flex cable. When wires are size by size, it depends on the size you want to wire into it. And this is the smallest one. You also for that single cable 1.5.
How much is this one?
I'll give for this one 500 now.
500 naira.
500 per one. And this is a flexible conduit pipe.
For what? What is it?
20 mm conduit pipe. 20 mm conduit pipe.
20 mm conduit pipe.
Yes. It comes with a bundle like this.
You said by bundle, or you said by one.
You sell one, but it comes in bundle like this.
Okay, the bundle is how much?
Bundle I'll give you for 12,000 naira.
20.
12,000
Okay,
naira.
12,000 naira. Then single one is how much?
Single one I'll give you for 500 per one.
500 naira.
500 per one.
It's like the self one, right?
The self one. This is Ox Plus Wolf one.
How much is it?
I'll give you for this one 16,000.
15,000.
16,000. 16,000.
16,000.
16,000.
Can we see the inside? Or you cannot open it?
It's already sealed. It's not sealed.
Okay.
Sealed.
Well, I hope it's strong. What type of this thing is this?
This is Ox Plus Wolf one.
Is it wall fan?
Yes, this is
Okay, not standing fan.
Wolf one. This is Wolf one. We also have standing
How much
fans.
is it? Okay, it's 16,000
This is 16,000. We also have standing fans. If you just come with your
Are you
price,
sure it's your standing fan?
you can.
Even though it's the carton.
It's not here right now.
It's not yet.
No.
Okay.
So there's this
I'm seeing bulbs outside though.
box here. We have
sell
couple
bulbs?
of bulbs, yes.
Okay.
We have
This one
bulbs.
is how much?
We have the ones for. This is outdoor light.
Outdoor light.
This is outdoor light.
How much is that one?
This one is 2.5.
Eh?
2.5.
2.5. What about the one that is
That
on
one
top?
there's 3,000 naira.
3,000. What about
This one is 1.5.
this? 1.5. 1.5. The rest is 1.5.
Yes.
Even this, including this
So
one.
this one is 2.5.
2.5.
Yes. It
What about
comes with different designs.
Okay.
You see, it comes with different designs.
Okay.
So there is this changeover that is here.
Is it bulb?
What bulb? This changeover
Okay. Then I saw fuse. How much did you sell your fuse?
of fuse and base. We have, it depends. Fuse and base. We have one. We have glow. We have other mix.
So this one is how much?
So I'll give you for 4,000 naira. It's 4.5, but I can give you 4,000.
Which one size is that?
It has size. It
Is
has
this the
bigger
smallest?
size. This is smallest size. It has bigger size.
14.5.
No, 4.5.
Ah, 4.5. Okay. The one that is bigger than this one is how much?
So give it around 6,000.
6,000 naira. Is that the biggest?
So that's not the biggest. You have also have the biggest. The ones for 15,000 naira.
15,000. Do you have it here? Okay.
No,
How many years guarantee are you giving us?
This, I can
In
give
all
you
your products?
our product. I can give you 10 years guarantee. No,
10 years guarantee.
10 years guarantee.
Okay.
Oh, we are
Can we
selling
see
them.
your
We are
proof?
selling original.
Careful, fine.
See this.
The fuse is how much?
This is a main switch.
Okay, it's not fuse.
Not this is main switch.
You guys don't sell fuse.
No, this is main switch. This inside board, like this kind of board that we just brought out.
Okay.
This
So
is
this one is you sell it separately or you sell it together with?
we also come separately. We
Okay.
also come
So this one is how much?
2.5.
2,500. What's the work?
This is for the
Does it
switch.
supply it? Okay.
For the switch, yes, in the box.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else do you sell?
What
else can you sell? Huh?
We sell this is
Okay.
like normal, ordinary, not fancy, ordinary three gang switch.
So these three guys is how much?
This three gang I can give you for 1,500.
1,500.
Yes.
One gang is how much?
One
500.
gang is 500.
Or 200.
No, can't give you for 200. No. I
Okay.
can give you for one gang. I'll give you 500. One gang.
Okay.
This is also fuse and base. The original fuse and base.
What's the work of this one?
This one is for changing the lights connection
Okay.
and change the lights from on that spool to next spool.
This one is how much?
This one I'll give you for this one. I'll give you for 12,000 naira.
12,000 naira.
Yes.
Okay. Is that the last price?
I'll give for, let's say, just 10,500.
10,500 last.
Yes, comes in different size.
Which size is this one? Is this the biggest or the
This is the
smallest?
medium size.
Medium size. The smallest one is how much?
The smallest one is 7,000.
7,000 naira. The biggest one is how much?
The biggest one I'll give for 15,000.
15,000.
Depends on the make and what you.
Which make is this one?
This is ordinary Egyptian.
China or?
Selves. That's China.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And we also have clip. Just building materials, that's what we sell, like home materials, electrical accessories. This is clip. know what this clip for now?
Yes.
For wires.
For wires.
Clip
Yeah.
wires.
So this one is how much?
So I will give you 600 now.
600. Yeah.
Last 500.
That but I thought it's something of 200 or 100 naira.
How will you see something of 100 naira in the electrical shop?
I used to throw it away if I see it in my house.
Unless that
I don't know is this expensive.
That don't making use of it. You just have to
Okay.
keep it. You have size by size now. This is the biggest size. This is the bigger
What
size.
type of wire can you use this one for?
Can you for this one?
Because I'm seeing
reckoning wire.
small.
Yes, reckoning wire. What you
you
call
have
it?
it
From pole to house directly.
Oh,
You
okay,
know the
okay.
wire
Okay.
from the
Do you have it here?
No, it's not here. Sir.
Okay, this one is how much?
It was just it's in our other shop. This one I'll give for this one 1,000.
1,000 naira.
Yes.
Like this, bar?
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
There is
So where do you buy your market from?
we get our market from Turkey.
From Turkey?
Yes, sometimes China.
What's this?
This is a no. This is Waybox. Yeah, fire. Industrial cooker units. Industrial units. Industrial cooker units.
For your electric cooker?
Yeah.
This one is how much?
5,000.
5,000 naira. Is that your last price? Does it have sizes?
No, it doesn't. It's 4,500. Industrial cooker units. 4,500.
Okay. So guys, in case you are looking for where to get your electrical materials, you are in Lagos, you are building a house, or you are planning to build the house and you want to buy your electrical material, you can meet Mr. Desmond and he will supply to you in quantity. So please, do you deliver outside Lagos?
We deliver any states, anywhere you are. Deliver in anywhere.
Okay.
We also have we also do free delivery. Depends on what you get. If you get from 1 million above, you can
free delivery.
Give you free delivery. Yes.
Wow. Okay. Thank you and God bless you. So guys, you've heard him now. He will deliver to anywhere you are. And please don't forget to contact Obi Electric in case if you want to buy anything from one of our clients, we will also buy and deliver to your doorstep. Thank you and God bless you. So please can you call your phone number for us?
This is my phone number. 081
081
03
03
733
733
793
793. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Now, what do you have to tell our viewers about this wonderful interview?
Yeah, I'm telling them like whatever they need for home electrical materials, they can contact me. We set qualities and reliable stuff here. I promise to give them what will last for them with big guarantee. So that is what we sell here. So you don't have a problem. You also have to text me and chat me, and I'll give you prices of what you want and give you exactly what you need.
Okay. I hope you sell original some because I heard we have different types of sockets, the original one and the fake one. The one you can use for like a month if it's spoiled.
What we have here is quality accessories.
Okay.
We don't sell something that will bring problem to I and my customers.
Okay. No problem. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share videos. Say your number once again.
The number is 081
081
03
03
733
733
793.
793. Don't forget we can also help you and buy and deliver to your site. Thank you and stay tuned.